Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret. Today I will show you how to flash the firmware to the flight controller. For this demonstration, I will use the B-Core flight controller, which is F3 type. I hope this video will help you to solve some of the problems with the flight controllers. Sometimes when you connect the USB cable to the flight controller, the computer might not recognize the device. Some people say it is bricked, but you cannot break a flight controller. If you cannot flash the firmware or connect to BetaFlight, there are only two possibilities. The flight controller is damaged, or you don't have the right drivers on your computer. I will show you that my flight controller is not recognized with my computer. Failed. It failed to connect, as you can see in the log. See? Failed to open serial port. My dad will shorten the boot pins on the flight controller, and I will continue. There are links to the software downloads on the BetaFlight welcome page. I will use Zadig to fix my problem. I will install the latest version, and I will start it. Yes. Okay, list all devices, and my device starts with STM something, and you need to replace this driver to WinUSB. So replace this driver. Yes, install. Okay. After you've done that, start Device Manager. You'll see at the Universal Serial Bus devices that the STM virtual COM port is listed there, so which means it is successful. So I will start BetaFlight and flash the firmware. You can see that it's on DFU mode, meaning that I can flash the firmware. So, I checked on the internet that it uses SP Racing F3 Evo. I will use the latest version, and I will load the firmware. I will flash the firmware. The flash was successful, and now I'm going to cut the wire which connects the boot pins using these. There we go. And we're done. I cut the wire which connects to the boot pins. Now I will connect the flight controller to the computer. I will open Device Manager. You can see that the STM Microelectronics Virtual COM port is listed under ports, which means the driver installation was successful. I will start BetaFlight, and I will connect. will check the version. The version was the one that I flashed. And disconnected. Everything looks great. You can proceed with configuration. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!